Magluluto tayo ngayon ng nilagang lapu-lapu at giant shrimps. Yan, ang lalaki nito guys. Look. Very big shrimps I have here. Giant shrimps. Okay, anyway, lagyan ko lang siya ng kamatis, luya, sibuyas, at malunggay. Okay, be with me guys and we will be cooking this super yummy, super refreshing nilagang lapu-lapu and giant shrimps. Okay guys, let us start cooking. One liter of water. One tablespoon of salt. Okay. I just remove this. Anong tawag niyan? Yung pinanggalingan ng tangkay. Ayan. Tuwain. Anyway, kahit anong hiwa ito, okay. Kahit half lang na ganyan nga, okay lang. No problem. Ayan. Ito ang magpapasarap sa sinigang, guys. Kulang ang sinigang pag walang kamatis. Kaya, kailangan talaga may kamatis. No? Ayan. Tapos, direkta. Habang pinapakuluan natin. Tapos, ayan, luya. Then, let us close. Then, wait for it to boil. Okay? Okay. Obviously, kumukulo na. So, ilagay na natin itong ating napakasarap na lapu-lapu and the giant shrimps. Ayan, oh, napaka-giant. Okay. Kita mo. Sisigang natin lahat to guys. Wow. Grabe, ang sarap nito. Ayan, then timplahan na natin. Merong nahalong isang maliit. Okay. So, I mean, let it simmer for 3 minutes. And then, balikan natin. Lagyan natin timpla. Okay, guys. Ilagay na natin yung timpla. Ito yun, yung sinigang. Knorr Sinigang sa sampalok mixed with Gabi. Ito siya. To get the sourness of sinigang. To be delicious. Okay? Sorry guys, may nagtatrabaho. Maingay. Sorry for the noise. Okay, kaya minsan silent yung ginagawa kong video because of that guys, ha? Sorry. Okay? Let it simmer for 3 minutes. And then let us place the malunggay. Ayan, kumukulo na ng husto. Ngayon, ay ilagay ko naman ang green chili para siya ay maging spicy and refreshing. Yan. Itong green chili ay cut ko yung some pieces. Maybe 2 pieces like that. Okay, to make it more spicy. And then, put all those green chilies inside. Okay. Wow, so many sabaw. See? Oh my gosh. You see this, guys? Ang gandang tignan ng malalaking shrimps. Look at this with the lapu lapu and then the malunggay. Talaga naman. Ang lasa nito ay nako. Talaga naman ang sabaw. Napakasarap. Yan, oh. This is the broth that will make us so contented and happy while eating our lunch today. So yummy. And now, while waiting, I will now put the leaves. You know this? Moringa leaves. This is the healthiest vegetable ever. Okay? I will place it directly. Ayan, may mga malalambot na parting ayan. Little leaves of moringa. That is good. Ayan. Very nice. Wow. You see na? This is so refreshing, you know? Refreshing soup. For today is the Sinigang Lapu lapu with giant shrimps. Wow. And then with the malunggay, the green chilies, and then the tamarind. What a taste. What a refreshing taste for our lunch. See? Hinaan lang natin. Okay, slow. I place to low heat. And then place this moringa. Yum, yum, yum. Moringa can be cooked in 1 minute. Very easy to cook. Yeah, very quick. Simplest cooking of lapu lapu and shrimps. And this is it. You see? This is the best soup you will ever sip. Ayan. Generous moringa. Okay. That's enough. Nice. Oh. So, I will now switch off. Guys. Ayaw natin na ma-overcooked. So, switch off na natin. Okay, naluto na. So easy. So quick. In less than 10 minutes, you will be sipping the broth of this lapu-lapu, sinigang lapu-lapu, spicy sinigang lapu-lapu with giant prawns. The broth with the moringa. Wow! Champion! And then, syempre, black pepper. More spicy. The spiciness of this, it needs more spicy. So, with that black pepper, my God. This is so perfect for today. So, ayan na. Naluto na. Hope you like my video today, guys. It is so easy to cook. Spicy lapu-lapu with giant prawns. It is so exciting to eat. Look at those. Oh, yummy. Nakita mo na yan. See? Nice and spicy, guys. Okay? So, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe dyan, nabaguhan, mag-subscribe na kayo. And then, please click the bell button. Don't forget to switch on that little bell for you to be notified every time I upload new video. Okay? So, thank you. See you again next time. Stay safe. Love you guys. God bless us all. This is so yummy. Try to cook this, guys. Hindi kayo magsisisi. Very delicious, yummy, spicy, refreshing. Nandyan na lahat. Okay, bye-bye. Love you guys.